Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where I post every Monday and Thursday. We are checking out the best minimal UI design resources for free for you guys. So without further ado, let's just get started with this video. Before we get started, I want to ask you guys on what you think minimalism really is. Put that down in the comments. What is minimal design? I would love to know your opinion. I'll also be linking an article by NNG Group on minimal design. So make sure to check that out after you watch this video. So starting from the literal smallest thing, which is icons. And this is teeny icons. From the top, the website itself looks quite minimal. There's a lot of white space, and in your cliche terms, this is minimal. There are a bunch of icons, almost an endless list, basically covering all your major set of icons which are required in design projects. You can quickly search for something like, if I want to search for home, and you have home as well as an alternative design for it. You can always increase or decrease the size to check it out, and you can always switch on or switch off the lights just to see whether it will look good on a dark background as well. The feature that struck me was duplicate on Figma. So if you click on this, it will directly take you to the project, the actual project which was made on Figma. Apart from that, you can always click on any one of these and copy it as an SVG and just Command V or Control V to paste it in any design software. For your minimal project, you shouldn't just use any font. You should use a minimal font. Spartan MB by Matthew Bailey is one such font. If I go down, as you can see, the font itself is very clean. There's not a lot of experimentation done with the actual font, but it looks very, very neat and clean. There are various thicknesses for different purposes, and they themselves have tried to make the entire presentation here very, very minimal. And you can always choose a style on your own. So for example, I want semi-bold and I can write my name here. So I'll write Puneet Chawla. By the way, subscribe. Speaking of fonts, what if a free font could literally be made for minimal designs? Less Sans. Now this sounds like a minimal font. There are only 3 weights. They've not put out a lot of different weights or varieties. If I go down, they have shown some examples. As you can see, minimalism, they've written the word itself. And if I go down a little bit more, as you can see, that entire presentation again is very, very minimal and clean. The font itself looks really good. The entire typeface here is not only is it clean, but it is also very well spaced out and very well made. And more examples are listed here so that you can see how it will look on your actual website or product. The last font I want to showcase is Aqua Grotesque. Now, Aqua Grotesque, if I go down, is more of a display font than normal text font that you would use on your website. This is absolutely great for your displays or titles that you use on your website. See, they've used it in a very unique manner. Of course, you can use it as a display font or as they have used it for a secondary font. Again, just a quick showcase of another great minimal font. Now, you might ask me for some cool UI kits for minimal designs. LS Graphics, our channel sponsor, has an amazing set of UI and UX kits for free, which are very, very minimal. For example, this Muir, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, UI kit is an incredible example of minimalism at its finest. They also have a very cool UI kit called Charts, which is again a very minimal charts UI kit. It showcases various statistics and dashboard elements. So if you're looking to make a really cool and creative dashboard, which is at the same time is minimal, I think this is one of the best ones to go around. You can even customize this as much as you want. And even though it is a sketch file, you can always import it into Figma and XD. There are ways to do it. Another minimal UI kit is by Anton Chandra on Dribbble. The best part about this UI kit is that even the colors are so simple, easy on the eyes, and make it even easier to navigate throughout the design. The smaller elements like weather, everything has been given here. So no matter if you're starting a normal application or you're starting a weather app or a music player, this kit has you covered. And the best part is, it's free of cost. What better thing can you ask from a designer? I never imagined that there would be minimal colors, but apparently there are. Now this has been posted by a couple of designers, but this is the most popular as well as pushed by Behance on a lot of platforms. And all these colors are very, very simple and light on the eyes. Minimal design visually is supposed to do that. And as you can see, you can even see the text over it. So when you're actually typing anything over such colors, you will know which color is the best color to use. You can always use a color drop tool to pick these font colors as well. And wow, this looks amazing. Dhamma Branding has done a great job on this project. I think you guys should go check this out and pick up color inspiration for your next project. Now, once your minimal design is made, you need to display it in an actual device or in an actual mockup. The Mockup Club is dedicated to provide amazing as well as minimal mockups. I'll show you how. Each of these mockups, as you can see, is very simple, very straightforward, and there's very few design elements which are being used. Even the backgrounds they've used here are very minimal and fit the minimal cliche 110%. Now, if I go into any one of these, as you can see, these are free to download. You can see them up close, so in case you want to portray something, you can really zoom in right in there. Apart from that, LS Graphics also has a free presentation or a mockup kit called Big Clay Mockup Bundle. And as you can see, so simple, looks so light on the eyes, as well as has various ways to actually display your content in. And the best part is it's compatible with all three: Photoshop, Sketch, as well as Figma. So go for something like this if you want a minimal way to present your minimal designs. Now, at the end of the day, I want to leave you guys with the best resource possible. An actual free ebook written by Jerry from UXSpin. UXSpin, as you guys know, is a popular UX design tool. They have this really popular minimal UI design book where they pick up different minimal websites and basically show you what technique has been used, how minimalism has been achieved. As you can see, the subtext here says the elegance of minimalism. And of course, to get it, you just enter your email and you can download the entire ebook for free. They've also given a short summary so you can read through the book, the summary of the book, and what the book is going to teach you in terms of UI design. So if you're looking to pick up a book on visual and UI design, then I think this is one of the best books you can get for free. That's the best part. Thank you guys for watching. If you did like this video, then hit the thumbs up button. Also subscribe to the channel because I post every Monday and Thursday, and also click on that bell icon because that is what tells you when I'm posting what I'm posting. I'll see you next time with amazing content just like this. Till then, God bless.